Video we're going to show you how to use the gradient tool. The gradient tool allows you to fade from one color to another or more than two colors. It's found halfway down the toolbar. It's this rectangular shape with the fading from a dark gray to a light gray. Now, just like any other tool, the gradient tool comes with options up here in the options bar. The first one that you see here is a drop-down menu that allows you to choose the source colors for your gradient. Most commonly we'll use the first two or three. Now you see the first one is from foreground color to background. So this blue to black matches the blue to black that I have chosen down here. The second one goes from the foreground color to transparent, which is designated by these checkered boxes. And the third one is from black to white, and all these others are just preset colors. Now you can double click one of these to edit it. You can also go to this gear for more options on how to create customized gradients. We will not go into that in this video. So for now we'll choose the second one with foreground color to transparent. Now as you can see, the longer I pull the line for the gradient, the slower the fade is going to be, fading from one color very slowly and gradually into the other color. The shorter the line, the harder the fade is. So you can see this is a very short gradient, and if you pull it even shorter, it's almost a straight hard line. Okay. Next on the options bar, you have different shapes. The first one's linear, which goes from one to another along a straight line. Second one is a radial gradient, which does a gradient but in the shape of a circle. Really nice option to use sometimes. The second one is more of a angular gradient, so it's a straight line but almost sort of spins around in a way. It's almost easier just to look at. You see how it starts on a hard line and the fade goes around this angle. Okay. The other one fades from one color to the next and back to the original. Okay, as you can see here. So transparent to my color and then back to transparent. Another nice option. All of these are useful in different circumstances. The last one is a diamond gradient, which gives you similar to the radial but more in a diamond shape. You also have some other modes, blending modes, just like you can do with layers. You can also change the opacity as well. You can reverse the colors too. So it now goes from transparent to foreground instead of the other way around. Okay. One other important thing to know is that you can put gradients inside of selections just like you can any other fill color. So I'm just going to load a selection here from the select menu that I have pre-made so that we can use this. So now that I have this selection and I'm on a separate layer, I can take, for instance, the radial gradient and create it just inside of the selection. Okay, so that's going from the top. Maybe you want to go from the middle. Pull this out and you'll see as we fade from the different colors within the selection, it all stays within the selection. If I deselect it, you can see that shape there. So just another option you have to be filling shapes using the gradient tool just with selections.